Owie does the splits. Let's see if he can get out of this one. What happened, O? Oh, you almost got it. You got that one leg stuck. No? It's not stuck? You're just doing yoga? There you go. You just gotta swing it out from underneath you. You give up? Oh, there we go. Now you're sitting back up. Now you're sitting back up. Oh, here comes Boo Radley to help, I guess. Are you gonna try to start crawling again? That was the end of the yoga? No more yoga? Owen! Oh, baby.